I am Basavaraj Thonagatti from vasunivesh.com, and in this video I am going to share with you my top 5 best health insurance products in India for 2020. What is health insurance? Health insurance is nothing but a type of insurance where health insurance companies will reimburse the cost of the hospitalization. However, there are certain restrictions to it. For example, a minimum 24 hours of hospitalization is very much required to get the claim settled. Now, why we all need the health insurance? See, if you look at the cost of the hospitalization, the way they are increasing at the rate of 8 to 10% year on year. So, even a week of a hospitalization may erode your whole savings. Hence, it is always better to have a proper health insurance. If you look at the health insurance products, you will notice that there are so many features and add-ons they added to get confused us. So, what are the major things I have to look for when buying the health insurance? In this video, I am going to share with you the major points what you have to look for while buying the health insurance. The first one is how much coverage I should buy. Ideally, as per me, the base plan should be at least 3 to 5 lakh and the super top-up plan should be at least 10 to 15 lakh. So combined together, at least you must have 15 to 20 lakh of health insurance coverage. The second aspect what you have to look for is daycare treatment. What is daycare treatment? Because of the medical advancement, earlier the same treatment which is required at 2 to 3 days of hospitalization now turned to be 2 to 3 hours of a hospitalization. Hence, you always go for a product which is covering the maximum daycare treatments. The next thing what you have to look for is room rent capping. Don't go for a product which is offering you with certain room rent capping. The next point what you have to consider is definition of hospital. See, many insurance companies define what is the definition of hospital. Hence, try to understand what is the definition of a hospital as per the health insurance companies. Suppose if you get hospitalized in a hospital which is not a hospital as per the health insurance companies, then there is a probability of rejection of the claim. Hence, try to understand what is the meaning of hospital as per the health insurance company. The next thing is super top-up plan. As I told you, never rely on the base plan. You have to go for a super top-up and make sure that at least 3 to 5 lakh of a base plan and 10 to 15 lakh of a super top-up plan, and make sure that the renewal date of both base plan and super top-up plan should be as near as possible. Then the next point what you have to consider while buying is that don't postpone your health insurance, because if you try to buy the health insurance during your old age, I mean when you reach 50-55 years of age, and if you approach the health insurance company to purchase, because of a health issues inside you, the health insurance companies may deny the proposal itself only. Hence, try to buy the health insurance as early as possible. The next important aspect what you have to look for, a restoration benefit. What is the restoration benefit? Restoration benefit is nothing but the original sum assured is restored if the existing sum assured get adjusted because of your hospitalization. However, there are certain restrictions to it. For example, you cannot claim the restoration benefit for the same disease where you have got adjusted the base sum assured. Hence, try to understand what is the restore benefit and accordingly you buy it. Understand the exclusions properly. See, if you look at the brochure of the health insurance, you notice that there are so many exclusions provided over there. Try to understand the exclusions provided there, and also there may be certain exclusions with respect to specific diseases. Hence, try to read the total exclusions properly. And renewable must be lifelong. Go for a health insurance which is offering the lifelong renewable options. Waiting period. Usually there is a waiting period of 3 to 4 years. However, there are certain disease specific waiting periods also. Try to understand if there are any certain disease based waiting periods are also there or not. Then the hospital network. The product must cover the maximum hospital network in your city, and also try to point it out the nearest hospital which is covered under the health insurance, and try to make sure that you note down the contact details of the hospital, because we don't know when the emergency will knock for us. And treatment wise limit, as I told you, the health insurance product may offer you certain treatment wise limit. So try to understand if there are any certain treatment wise limit or not. If there are certain treatment wise limit, then just ignore that product. Apart from these things, all other products are just to make sure that to attract the client. So if you concentrated on the points which I shared with you, then that much is enough while buying the health insurance. After going by all these features, I have shortlisted my top 5 best health insurance products in India for 2020, and they are as follow. The first one is HDFC Ergo Optima Restore. Earlier it was with Apollo Munich Optima Restore, because HDFC Ergo took over the Apollo, so now the product is called HDFC Ergo Optima Restore. This is my top 1 best health insurance product. The second one is ICICI Lombard Complete Health Insurance. The third one is Royal Sundaram Lifeline Supreme Family Floater. The fourth one is HDFC Ergo Health Suraksha Gold Regain ECB. And the fifth one is Max Bupa Health Companion. So these are my top 5 best health insurance products in India. If you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe this video, and at the same time, if you have any doubts or questions with respect to choosing the best health insurance product, try to comment to this video. I will reply and try to resolve your all doubts. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.